Hello, my name is Errol, and this is 1473 Piedmont Drive in Deltona, Florida. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house, and it is going for $1,525 at the moment. And let's take a look. Over here in the carport, you do have your laundry room. Then we'll step inside into an open living room. And you have your dining room over here to the left as well. We'll come this way into the kitchen. Right out here is your Florida room. And then you also have a outdoor patio. So Florida room, outdoor patio, spacious backyard if you have pets. We'll go back inside and let's go through the kitchen. That door there goes to the carport. And then let's take a look at the bedrooms. Here's a closet. Let me go to bedroom number 1. And so you have wood and tile throughout the home. We'll go to the bathroom. And then the last bedroom. Again, this is 1473 Piedmont Drive in Deltona, Florida. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. And thank you for coming to the tour. Have a good day.